Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. SK Khoza posted a very good looking video of himself on Instagram, you guys, which assured us that he is on a road to recovery. After months of seeing him in the streets intoxicated, with many people saying that he was allegedly under the influence of drugs and alcohol. While his baby mama Gogo Maweni was accused of bewitching him, SK Khoza has posted this beautiful video of him looking clean on Instagram and captioned it as following. Lilungelo ngelakho, #peaceful, #river, #myzuluspear, #umkhonto wami. Now you guys do check out this video and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on any uploads from me. Here's the video.